can't say no. I can't say no, bitch. Yeah. You know, guy. Smoking dead ops, I keep ashing out. Except them niggas scared. We seen the ops and they start passing me the bill. They know I'ma walk some down and click it till it's nothing left. This bitch bad, I got her in there cooking like a fucking chef. Niggas ain't playing right, so you know I'm playing to the left. Heard he can't get no bitches, so he in there playing with himself. Everywhere I go, it's 30 with me. I like playing with Steph. Ain't no big homie from me, shit. Nigga gon' flames by myself. Yeah, switchy tuck when I'm in traffic. Nigga play is getting trash. You can't be limperous, then hold with 2 hands. That bitch automatic. Mention bro name up on the next one. All the stat niggas be put up. They only come outside when they be rap. We all the scat packs with the fastest 3-round verse. I'm like his lag. I ain't friendly, almost popped the fan up cause he tried to glitch through my phone and tried to stab me. Now I'm shooting shots at her dad. Kill my nigga if he steal cause all he had to do was ask. We done cut the pint boys, we hit a pint and see our bags. Bought so much they'll break up in my crib to steal a match. Play crazy, we throwing stones at a nigga, we a flag. The cat got so many horses I can spin it while the traction on. Bro ain't tryna look for a job, he rather snatch it. So he plugged in, soon as he touch my hands, I'm getting that shit gone. Niggas be false claiming on the body, knowing that shit bro is capitalized. Hey, the switchy go. Fat, left your man bone. Never catch them niggas out there on the gram troll. Never catch them niggas out there. I can't fold my money if I put it on the bed, I bet the bed fall. One boys down, left your meds home. Hit this back way too hard, I got my chest folded. I know I got a lot of money, nigga, you can't hold shit. My face card and they ain't gonna look for me, whole brick. She flex trigger on the Glock, it sounded like I gotta do is tap the trigger, hold it firmly to make it so glitch. Bitch, I'm really from the trenches, family never on shit. I gotta be down, I gotta make my folks rich. You know, my family trigger happy, like we do a 5-6. Ride through the trenches with 2 blickies and the extra clip. About a place, realizing that it's fucking folks. And finally free little Capilati, probably tryna take some more shit. I go in the bed while I'm beating her from the back. He hit the floor, they took his bed, he ain't gangster without strap. My niggas lethal with they hands, they like putting them on. I just bought this little bitch some skins, cause she be giving us a drop. Just let my little brother out, he tryna catch one on the bar. Like, where the fuck you get that K, you gotta build it, it ain't slow. Got security patting us down, Capilati up the block. Oh, he a high hit, let these bullets sizzle on his top. 20K ain't shit, bitch, I could've been bought the all she want is a couple fists, we could've been bought the drop. Lil' Brody, you love the quarter body, then said it's a lot. Yeah, sound like a switch, but it's G-Flex trigger in his block. The police doing raids on the real, they kicking down the block. Yeah, don't let the police stop this V, steppers in the back. Turn around and run, I bought a Stephen with the strap. Nigga, we don't conversate, I'm just in here stretching the hurt. Know when niggas fucked up, heavy on they story, smoking black. Nigga find out I'm fucking this bitch and have a heart attack. Nigga, you gotta get some money before you start. A lot only need 20 seconds, he can start a cat. Trending on YouTube, the micro ARs, I ain't had shit, but I got cabbage now, I can start a pack. When I was young, my mama asked me what you wanna be. And I ain't have emotion, what you wanna see. Bro said, taking tools, he rather bust a 3. Shoot that bitch. Alright. Hell no, we ain't buying APs, rather bust a 3. Same bitches you be paying for, same me bust for free. I ain't tryna hear what you saying, niggas want this cheap. Niggas speak on door name, we gon' speak the streets. Ride around in the track, but you can't hold the beef. Nah, bitch, I ain't pulling up, you gotta walk on feet. Yeah, bitch, you gotta walk to me. I don't do the back and forth, bitch, I'm bullets talk for me. See him with a microphone, you know that bitch was bought for me. Like Chris Paul, he belong to me and I caught him. That tank was really only caught him cause the tank was easy. I keep that easy, nigga, ain't nobody spanking Reek. Nigga, this okay? What they do? It shoot precise. Niggas that say fuck me paradise. My whole body fucking down like a fucking paralyzed. I ain't really with you, nigga, they some parasites. Me and bro, they slide, we ain't never scared of ice. Guns down, I ain't never scared to fight, nigga down. Slide like like we on the sled. Yo, bitch wanna give me head. I know she got a BBL. That booty ain't matching her legs. Brody ride with me on the bike. He hop. Brody ride with me if I pull up on a bike. He hopping on the peg.